Go.
Hello everyone. Here at Underground we have more blue-tongued skink babies. So if you would look under here.
Go get him, Josh.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I said so, and I'm bigger than you. Don't step on any. Lift it up. Yeah, look at him.
This morning
Good, Papa. You reach in and grab him. You gotta be louder.
This afternoon when we were checking
I can't
the
grab him. I can't reach him. I'll hold
Yeah,
this.
you show the
Josh,
hand,
get
buddy.
him.
We found some babies.
I won't bite you.
1. 2.
Careful, he's got a nasty voice.
3. What you looking for? Look at Oos. What do you want, Oos? You want to get a baby?
Yeah.
4. Let's grab mommy.
What?
Grab mama over there. Grab the big one there.
They don't bite, Josh.
Yeah, he might bite you. It's not gonna hurt you. There he is. There she is. Look under the other stuff in there. So here's mama. She's really nice orange.
Oh, there's another baby.
Where?
Over here.
There you go. Look at that other pregnant one in there. Look how pregnant that one is still. Okay. Let's see how somebody count. Don't step on it. Lift that up. Let's see. So we got 5 babies out of this mama. Pretty orange one. Hold it. Lift up her belly. Nice. What do you think, Josh?
I don't know. Fuzzy head.
What do you think, Oos?
Oh, it's
You want to eat it?
kiss it.
That's
Poor dog.
how you train them. Not to eat lizards. Thanks, guys. Be on sale this week. Only at
Underground.
underground. Say underground.
Underground.